What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you my review of the 4% group and I'll be telling you whether you should buy it or not. So I've been with the 4% group for almost 3 months now and I think that I have good knowledge about it, so I'll be sharing my personal opinion with you. Also, if you decide to buy the 4% group through the link in the description, then I'll be giving you some really cool bonuses. So these are the bonuses that you will be getting if you decide to buy the pro level membership of the 4% group through the link in the description. So yeah, let's get started. So the 4% group, if you don't know what 4% group is, let me tell you. 4% group is basically an ecosystem that provides you with all the tools and trainings that you'll need in order to start making money from the internet. You will learn everything from scratch. Even if you are a beginner, then this is a really good course for you because you are going to be learning everything from scratch. This is definitely not the thing like make money quick scheme or generate thousands of dollars in a single day. This is not that. This is something that is legit and will help you to generate money in the long term. This might take time, but this is something that will really help you to make money in the long term, because you are going to be getting paid on the monthly basis because of the system that you get with the 4% group. So first of all, let me show you the members area, what all you get inside the members area. So if I go to start here, then here are some steps that a beginner can go through. You can basically get a quick overview of what you will be learning and how you will be making money. So this is the training. These are some steps that you can go through. Then we have business and marketing. So these are again some other trainings that you can get. These are the live training sessions that Vic did, and you can really benefit from them if you are looking to purchase the 4% groups system. Again, I'm not forcing you to purchase it. It's up to you. It may take time in the beginning, but definitely this is something that is really powerful and will help you in making money in the long term, because the system of the 4% group is really powerful. I'll be coming to it in a minute. So after this we get the webinars that you can see that Vic shows. Basically it has some free trainings that you can get, and then we have the journey, which is something that will help you in motivating yourself. Basically in this, what happens is Vic, who is the founder of the 4% group, invites some big entrepreneurs and they share their journey of becoming a top entrepreneur. So this is what you get with this. So this is what you will find in this. And now let me talk about the system of the 4% group, which is something that is really powerful and absolutely worth it if you know what you're doing. So this is the 4% groups system, and here are my affiliate links that I have put in. Now what this does is, anyone who I refer to the 4% group buys any of these things inside the 4% group, then I'm going to be getting paid 30 to 50% of that commission, that too on recurring basis. So I'll be getting paid on recurring basis if anyone decides to buy any of this stuff. Now there are some tools that you will need in order to start making money, which are included in this. So like you'll need an autoresponder, a tracking link software. So these are the companies that you will need to pay on monthly basis, and this is how you will start making money from the internet, because this is important stuff. You will need to buy them, and anyone who refers you to the 4% group will get the commissions, that is anywhere from around 30 to 50%. So this is the way that you can also make commissions, and the maximum commission that you can earn from this system is $4,800 that you can earn from the Techademics affiliate ID. You don't have to do anything. System will do the things for you. You simply have to promote the 4% group and you will be getting paid from these companies if you are able to bring any paid member to the 4% group. So this is really powerful, and the fact that these companies pay on recurring basis, this can really help you to make a lot of money in the long term. Now another thing that I would like to mention here is that the person who gets referred by you to the 4% group, if he buys anything inside the 4% group, let's say he goes in the 4% store and he buys any product, or let's say he goes inside the business and marketing, he or she decides to buy the Insta Traffic Mastery, which is worth I think $99 or $997. Let's see this. So this costs $997. So this costs $997. So if the person whom you brought into the 4% group decides to buy this course, you are going to be getting 50% of this commission. Okay, so this is why I feel that the 4% group is so powerful. Let me go back and show you another example. This is another course that the 4% group has, and if any referred guy through your link buys this course, then again you are going to be getting 50% of this commission. So it is currently worth $497, but you will be able to make around $200 or $250 of commission if anyone buys this product. Anyone who you bring into the 4% group decides to buy any stuff inside the 4% group, then you are going to be getting paid 50% of that commission. And this is why I feel the 4% group is so powerful, because of its system. So let's talk about the cons. So this is not for those people who are looking to earn a lot of money within a really short period of time, because this will take time, guys. Especially if you're a beginner, then this will definitely take time. But once you get started, once you start getting the commissions, then you will see the real power of the 4% group, and you will yourself get motivated. And this takes time and also costs $49 per month. So this might be a problem for many of you guys, but definitely this is worth it. I would recommend you to get the training if you can. Now the pros of the 4% group is that you get paid for multiple streams of income. You get a lot of great training that will help you in earning a lot of commissions in the long term. If you follow the strategy that is being taught inside the 4% group, then definitely you are going to be successful. It might take time, but you will be successful if you decide to invest the proper time and you are willing to work hard. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you found this review helpful. If yes, then be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel for more such videos.